Hey car lovers, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of tangled cables, dead batteries, and a messy center console? Then you're at the right place. Because in this video, we're not talking about those cheap, gimmicky accessories you see everywhere. We're talking about the best of the best. The actually useful car gadgets that will upgrade your safety, your organization, and your daily driving experience. This is the list you need. All product links are in description. Let's dive in. Starting strong with number 1 is this wide-view clip-on rear-view mirror that promises to completely change your driving experience. The biggest benefit? Blind spots are history. As you can see, it dramatically increases your field of view compared to a standard mirror. This means you see more lanes, more traffic, and most importantly, more of what's behind you. And yes, it gives you a much clearer view of the whole back window. It uses a universal clip-on design, which means no tools required. It literally takes less than 30 seconds. This is a simple, affordable upgrade that instantly improves safety and visibility in any car. You can the product with the link in description. Number 2 is the Micro Nano Anti-Fog Film. Its special hydrophobic surface layer automatically cleans, blocking water, oil, and dust. Say goodbye to dangerous glare and fog. Get 99% anti-reflective clarity, day or night. In every kit, you get multiple sizes, perfect for your side mirrors and even your car windows. Plus, installation is a breeze. Stop squinting and start seeing. Drive safer. Drive clearer. It's a must-have for every car owner for a safe driving experience. Tap the link below to get your anti-fog film today. Number 3 is the ultimate windshield sunshade. Your defense against damaging UV rays and scorching heat. Installation is simple. Just place the sunshade to the windshield and pull down your visors for extra support and a perfect fit. Made with durable 240T premium polyester, guaranteeing a snug fit on virtually any car. Keep your car cooler, protect your dashboard from fading and cracking, and make every ride more comfortable. And for the convenience, it comes with a storage pouch. Click the link below to get yours and beat the heat today. Number 4, have you ever been stranded with a dead battery? It's the worst. Meet the A3 Car Jump Starter. This isn't just a jump starter. We're talking 3,000 amps of peak power. It can fire up almost anything, from your car to a big truck, even a motorboat. It's also a 150 psi superfast tire inflator. One charge is enough to inflate tires for your car. It's a 5-in-1 lifesaver. Use it as a power bank to charge your phone and a 400-lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes. Don't get caught unprepared. This is the ultimate tool for your trunk. Check the description below. Number 5 is the FiTi 4K Triple Dash Cam, your 24-hour security guardian on the road. It's 3-way protection. You get 4K Ultra HD for the front, 2K Quad HD for the cabin, and 1080p for the rear. That's stunning clarity from every angle. Driving at night? No problem. Super night vision with large apertures gives you a much clearer view. Security doesn't stop when you park. With the required hardwire kit, engage 24-hour parking mode. It uses motion detection and time-lapse recording. If an impact happens, the built-in G-sensor instantly locks the footage, saving it separately. Track your journeys with built-in GPS route tracking. Clarity, security, and peace of mind, all in one compact device. The FiTi 4K is the smart upgrade and must-have for your car security. Number 6 is this brilliant car trash bin. It's the ultimate upgrade for keeping your ride clean. Its unique geometric design fits seamlessly into any car's style. Designed to fit perfectly in your cup holder or door storage, it's always within easy reach for you and your passengers. Just a simple push, and the spring-loaded top swings shut automatically, keeping trash out of sight and smells contained. When it's full, the body easily separates for quick emptying and cleaning. Every driver wants a neat and clean car interior. Link in description. Number 7 is the YRU Car Mount, true military-grade strength. Check this out. It holds 90 pounds. That's thanks to its superior, non-melting, brilliant black suction cup. Adjusting your perfect angle is instant. with a 360-degree rotation and adjustable arm length. Ultimate design means a longer, sturdier arm that ensures no blocking vent. Enjoy your AC and keep your phone perfectly positioned for safe driving. Dashboard, windshield, vent, boat. This mount goes anywhere. It's compatible with virtually all phones and vehicles. Stop using flimsy mounts. Upgrade your drive today. Number 8 is the ultimate car life hack. This sleek car tissue holder. Mounted right on your sun visor, it gives you instant one-handed access. No more digging in the glove box, but it's not just for the driver. You can clip it anywhere. The back of a seat for the kids, or even the door panel. Made with a premium faux leather look, it blends right into your car's interior. Plus, the soft inner lining protects your tissues and is easy to clean. This convenient tissue paper holder is a must-have for your car. Keep your car clean and your focus on the road. Tap the link below to get yours. Number 9 is this brilliant fix and flat tire repair. This simple can quickly seals and inflates your tire, safely getting you to a repair shop. Many trusted car drivers rely on this amazing fix and flat car repair spray. Give the can a vigorous shake for 30 seconds. Tightly twist the nozzle onto your tire valve. Hold the can upright and press the yellow button until the sealant stops flowing. This distributes the sealant and increases the pressure. That's it! Now drive straight to a service station for a professional repair. It's a must-have for long drives. Link in description. Number 10 is the Lysen 4-in-1 car charger, the ultimate road trip savior. It's compact, clutter-free, and ready for anything. It's a powerhouse. With a massive 69-watt output featuring PD and QC, you get up to 8x faster charging speeds. That's 4 devices charging simultaneously. 2 integrated retractable cables and 2 extra USB ports. Perfect for the whole family. The 180-degree rotating head fits perfectly in any car. Plus, the retractable cable goes up to 31.5 inches. Stop the low battery anxiety. Grab the Lysen 4-in-1 car charger today. Number 11 is this cordless car foam sprayer. This isn't just a sprayer, it's a powerful foam cannon right in your hand. It delivers rich, thick foam effortlessly for a deeper, safer clean. It's so easy to use. Just press the switch once to power on and twice to lock for continuous spraying. No more tired hands. Powering it is simple with quick charge via the Type-C port. The large capacity tank holds up to 2.25 liters of fluid, meaning less stopping and more spraying. The versatility is fantastic. Use it for tires and wheels, or even switch modes to mist your indoor plants. This cordless foam sprayer is a must-have tool. Tap the link below to grab yours. Number 12. Tired of that awful neck pain after a long drive? Meet the ultimate ergonomic car headrest pillow. This isn't just a basic pillow. Its ergonomic U-shaped design provides 5-point contact support, cradling your head and neck curve, easing pressure, and helping to align your cervical spine. Say goodbye to neck pain and fatigue driving. Inside, you get 100D high-density memory foam for stable support, wrapped in a honeycomb breathable design. The fabric is designed with high-tech yarns to keep you cool and fresh. No more sweaty stickiness. Fits 99% of cars, SUVs, and trucks, and the adjustable strap and durable buckle make installation a breeze. Click the link in the description below to grab your 2-pack today and start driving in ultimate comfort. Number 13 is the ultimate interior cleaning crew. Armor All Wipes. 3 types, 1 goal, a pristine ride. The cleaning wipes for powerful, quick cleanup. Just wipe away spills, dust, and grime from all your auto surfaces. The Protectant Wipes. These don't just shine. They help guard your vinyl, rubber, and plastics against fading and cracking. Finally, the Glass Wipes. Say goodbye to streaks and interior haze. Get crystal clear visibility every time. Link in description. Number 14 is this amazing car food tray. This simple, lightweight tray hooks right onto your steering wheel in seconds. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite during your break or waiting for a passenger, This tray is a game changer. It gives you a stable, flat surface for your food, and it even has a cup holder to prevent spills. It doubles as a perfect car desk for your laptop or even a quick makeup table. When you're done, just unhook it and toss it in the back. It's super slim for easy storage. Link in description. Number 15 is this Time8 tire pressure monitoring system, your peace of mind on the road. It gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature, monitoring from 0 to 87 psi. It's waterproof, dustproof, and handles high-low temps. Plus, the sensors are anti-theft. Charging is easy with both solar power and USB. The large auto backlit screen is easy to read, day or night. Safety first. It has 5 alarm modes to instantly warn you about fast leaks, high or low pressure, high temperature, and sensor battery voltage. It literally guards your driving safety. It's perfect for your RV, SUV, sedan, MPV. On a long road trip, keep your tires perfectly balanced and your drive safe. Link in the description. And if you like this video and found little helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more useful tech like this. Thanks for watching.